They said they're going to send someone to come get him. The animal control is going to come get him. It's a baby, and his parents are still in the tree. Who I think he fell out.
With some water right in that water? I don't think his legs are broken.
Okay.
I think his legs are fine. You can stand on them. I think you're good. I think he's just little and just got scared because he fell out. I think he's okay.
Oh, I'm outside. I'm with the bird right now. Yeah. No, he's a tiny, tiny bird. He barely fits in your hand. And he was in the heat behind this red trailer. I did, but then I went to get the neighbor because I was scared. Yeah, I didn't want him to die. The neighbor?
I don't think. Jessica.
Jessica?
Mm-hmm.
She's right here with me. She was holding the bird. And she's evaluating his leg. And the animal control is going to come pick him up. His eyes were closing for like a minute, and I thought he was like losing conscious.
Oh, buddy. Oh.
Okay. Rosalino, it's a life. It's a life. It's important. Any life. Okay. Yeah.
Buddy. It's okay.
Okay. He's crazy. He said,
I gotta quit fucking with you. Damn, I painted that bitch navy blue. Pull up with that fucking coupe. Then I hit a loop. Would've hit a wheelie in that bitch if I could too.
Cause bitch your ass full boo. I'm gone past the fucking moon. Bitch don't fucking assume. Now look, you had your fucking doom.
Oh, you ain't heard? I'm finna shit on you. I'm back and I'm at it too. I'm sick like I got the flu. I know I heard that line a couple times, a lot of times, okay. To this shit I'm never blind. I see everything. I even see your hand. It's like x-ray vision. I can't even tell you, man. I can't explain it. I said I'm at it. I'm an addict. I gotta have it. When it come to money, man, it could turn tragic. Bricks in that attic. Bitch, I'm about that plastic gun. You ain't thinking it will shoot, but it shot through you. I'm on this new shit, bitch. I'm about to have you in a fit that you never thought you can get. Bitch, I'm about these bricks and I'm about these chips. If it ain't about that, then it ain't talking nothing. I'm on this motherfucker flexing, same time stun. But I can't even keep going cause I'm too blunted.
Damn, here you are gone. You cold. Told him leave that bitch alone. Told him leave that bitch alone. Now she gone. Now bitch he alone. Cause I took your nigga took. Now what you gonna do? Cause I got my money and I'm far away. And the police can't do shit. I'm past the border. Hey, 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 bitch. I'm gone, bitch. Leave me alone, bitch. You can't blow up my phone, bitch. Cause I'm gone on the yacht on mountains.
Somewhere in Fiji. I'm just saying, man, somewhere you can't go, bitch.
You
I'm probably
can't
in
see me.
Australia. I got a pet kangaroo. Can't go what I'm wearing, yeah, that shit ain't nothing new. Sometimes I rock that shit like my OGs do. I'm just saying, I gotta stay smooth. You niggas ain't getting money, y'all just seeing blues.
Seeing blue and green. Oh, I mean blue and black. Bitch, we got the greens. Bitch, we got the team. And you know we coming mean. Shoot you where you stand. Now your ass just lean. Bitch, lean. Rock and lean. Coming with them rocks and lean. Bitch, don't stop with me.
Coming to the block, we're fiends.
Oh my. I'm the THC on the marijuana. Bitch, I got marijuana. Bitch, oh bitch, I don't wanna. Cause she coming out of Honda. I'm just cruising on the water. Dripping fucking lemonada. With my motherfucking shoulder. But I got a couple boots in the parlor. So if you're fucking with the crew, get them all out. If you thinking that I'm seeing you a baller. Fucking Cuban on my shoulder. I think I'm in the Cuban water. Bitch, I'm on the fucking strollers. Struba lubing through the Cuban to the baller.
Just now at the little gas station, I was leaving the gas station and I
Holding
saw
yo
somebody
bitch
coming
love.
in, so I
I
just
see her
like
giving
opened the
her
door
all
for
love
them.
at the club. I see her
And
popping stripper lungs with the bumps.
she's like
I
an
say
old
no
lady. She
ho,
says
what
thank
you
you.
doing?
And then I
That
keep
shit
walking and
not
I look at the
cool. What you
license plate of her
proving?
car,
But she
and
say
her
go,
license plate says Ohio.
cause I let
This
my
this
nigga
old lady,
money.
she looks like she's literally in
So I
her
said
late
okay, come here
70s.
get that
She
money.
drove to New
Come
Mexico
in with the
all
crew,
the way
come
from
in with the honey.
Ohio by herself.
And I got a fucking little shot.
Shower is ready.
No
Please
way.
proceed to shower 2.
Same way. Without a doubt, I kinda caught you up in my house. Chicken on the soles and the sauce. Bitch, you is a hoe with the tropes. Move from the clothes with the croaks. If you ain't doing it right, then hold on real tight. Cause he just might take a bite and make you fare out with a knife. I heard you coming through and you tried. So bitch, move to the fucking right. What you mean? You not fucking with the team today. Cause your pussy might be clean if your fucking house clean. And if your house ain't clean, then you got a mouse in your shit. That mean you got a crowd with a pit. You might not be drinking no fucking liquor. Cause you a motherfucking party piss dipper. And I'm not fucking with no hoes who skimpers. So you can move to the side like a lifter. I'm coming through. I see you too in this fucking case. So I might have to come down. Shoot up the fucking town, bro, bro, bro. Now, bitch, I wanna see you in your bra. But don't stand and get over raw. Coming with Tupac. A packs with blunts. Bitch, we're coming in with the mumps. Bitch with the glumps. Pay to dump you out. Bro, I'm sorry. Can you start over? Because you just did the coldest rap. We was in our own world for a second.
Your butt's like a butt.
He didn't say that. He said, I'm in here like a butt. What did you say?
I'm in there like a butt.
He in there like a butt hair.
Irritate with all my haters. I get money. Niggas can't see me later unless you got a plane. And then use binoculars. I'm in the VIP, the first class. I'm way on top of you. You can't stop me.
I just bought a chicken sandwich from Lowe's.
Can you
It was
spark the
really
blunt,
good.
please,
I haven't
Popeye?
ate all day.
Your ass like a thong.
I got up. I woke up. In
What you
theory,
do what?
Now,
I said I'm in your ass like a
Hey,
thong,
what'd you think
bitch.
of that?
I feel like I see
So fucking frustrated. This isn't.
no ass, basic bitch, rat, girl, all that shit. Let niggas or bitches come to me.
Dude, I have spent close to like $200.
Oh, okay, but stop though, because you got the turtle doing drugs right now.
Gas. Just
You
driving.
look like freaking Mario shaved his head and he's doing drugs now. You gonna say it like that? Or?
Hey, marijuana was a fucking gateway drug. Like, I'm gonna just smoke this shit.
Right, and then do crack? No.
Let's do some crystal meth.
To the refrigerator.
Exactly.
To the
To
refrigerator.
fucking knowledge that we never knew we could unlock and shit. That's what the fuck is
If you
gateway.
smoke weed, then you smoke crack. You probably was gonna smoke crack anyway. If you smoking weed.
Smoke crack any day.
Right.
Your name Billy Wayne. Yo, bitch is really playing.
Your food lasts like Mondays.
They like Mondays? Who the fuck likes Mondays?
People, motherfuckers smoke crack.
Your mom look like she's alright for Monday.
Monday,
Madness.
fun day, face ass.
Why you do that, Derek?
Sunday, bitch, you're that.
Monday, that's the money day. Can't you hear how it sound, bitch? Monday. Sundays when I fucking glaze. I throw my ice on, watch the sun sparkle, bitch. I give money, yeah, I'm good, rich. Bitch, I pulled up like with it. She said, take me to sex fit. I said, hold on, you deserve target, bitch. Come through this motherfucker, make me start shit.
What? What?
I put the track apart, shit. Damn.
Yeah,
Everybody crazy. Damn.
Harry made my mind jump.
This just be so simple and cold.
Cold ass, crazy shit. Bitch, I want no babies, bitch.
What's that? Where the lighter at? It's right there. I threw it to you. You see it clear. Now stop asking. I'm in the leer. And everybody know I got all the beer. Drinking Henny with Kenny. We about to make a beat. Yo, bitch was friendly. So don't ask us where she been though. I just tell you we was playing the Nintendo. And it's Mario on the new level. And your bitch was there too on her new levels. Blues, Clues, Kettle. I ain't fucking with you. You better knew hello.
You finna bury yourself, bring a shovel. Matter of fact, bury him too, bring double. When you see me, yeah, you know that it's double trouble. Too mean to shoot your ass, nigga. Wow. I'm on this shit, I got to go. You niggas talking all this shit, you sinking, nigga. Row. I'm steaming past you niggas. If you didn't know it's shit talk. Y'all niggas ain't getting money, you shit talk. Nigga, I just get cash. Nigga, don't ask. I stay on task. Getting money, nigga, will pass. Your boss man, you thought that he was flossing. I'm flossing so hard, my nigga think I'm glossing. A nigga say I'm hosting it, I'm boasting quick to come through, bitch, and flip this shit. All this money, flip it, I will never flip the script. I stay up on that pimp shit, bitch, and nigga know I do this shit. Yeah.
Oh, you, my nigga Henry, damn. That's crazy. Damn. Took a picture with my cam. Exposed that bitch named Pam. Now I'm riding on this llama. But you know what to do, they call me K-Hunter. And I got plenty money, be up in the tropics. Hey, but you know what I mean, got them topics.
Got the topics. Top pick. They call me nigga, I'm the #1 draft pick. #1 grind, the hustle and get it in. Nigga, if you get it twice, I need to get like 10. It ain't nothing, nigga. I'm just studying. Coming through this your money
Why are you screaming?
You know what's sad as a bitch about this, fam? We getting so cold, people gonna literally think we was reading some paper and shit when they start listening to our shit. That's sad, but
Like, seriously.
what? You got the whistle? Got the whistle in this bitch. The money anthem.
Alright, go
Get
back
the
in there and sit
money
down. Here I
anthem.
go. Sit down.
They get the money anthem. Look, that look like the police put a freaking video computer. They trying to steal our stuff.
Get the money and some. Nigga, kidnap your bitch, bring the ransom. I'm just on this money, yeah, you know I need that.
Behind me, the school bus just honked at me. Behind me. The school bus just honked at me. That's so funny. Massage therapy. That's what I need. Oh, this is where I'm turning. I'm with this guardian.
But you know I got it. Coming with the climb. And in the time.
Oh my gosh, this stupid ass car is like
Can you
literally
please
right by
take that
me.
off?
Like,
I hate people who freaking have the phone necklace. This dude got that at his school. I'm like, why you do that, fam? He's like, cuz, gotta flex. I'm like, ugh, it's so ghetto, dude.
I'm just lazy with it. So I'm like, where my phone?
I'm like obsessed. Even if I like watching everything.
What time is it? I ain't drinking no 40s. No liquor, no, I'm drinking Henny to the
I don't give a fuck if it's Old Town. I don't want. Oh wow. Who the fuck is that? What the fuck is on their car? These stickers and shit to say. I cannot believe I'm being taken on this fucking big ass. Oh wow, we have, do you want to go here? Why not? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh god. Metro. Awesome. I did all of that to fucking come here. Can I go? Okay. We're here. I've always known I was meant to make movies. That's like the one thing that I've known about myself. I'm meant to make movies and I love recording. And then not just recording, but I love watching what I've made. So the fact that there's major events in my life that I have not recorded and I have the opportunity to have documentation and footage, that shit is crazy to me. Remember I parked there. Home City Ice. I need to, oh, okay. Dude, I've been driving for like 2 minutes in this fucking parking structure and I want to get the fuck out of here. Bro, that was like the fucking most. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? Like...
this is cooking. That oily doesn't have half of that calories, but
Oh my god, he's about to kick me. I didn't mean to say that, but